everyone, it's Jill here with PMSMCA, and we're here at Ferguson's Hot Water Products in their live fire room. And here with me I have Eric Lupke and Brandon Beck joining us to talk a little bit about our upcoming Fifth Thursday workshop on October 31st. So Eric, can you share with us a little bit about the timeline and what we can expect next week Thursday?
You bet. Yeah, no, and I appreciate the invite, and we're really excited to host the group as well. So next week Thursday, which just so happens to be Halloween, so excited about that. We will have from 11:30 to 12:30 just a general social. We got a lunch planned, and I think Brandon will have a little special event. And then from 12:30 to 1, we'll be highlighting mechanical solutions, which we'll talk to you more about as well. And then from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, we are hosting a 2-credit-hour CE class. So all those master plumbers, journeyman plumbers looking to get credits, come on down. We'd love to train you.
Great. And can you share with us a little bit about that mechanical solutions?
Yeah, no problem. Our group exists to help make complex projects a little more simple. We focus a lot of our efforts here in the mechanical room, so we're going to talk about engineered products and construction technology.
Great. And it's on Halloween, so we can expect maybe a little surprise.
We have a couple of tricks up our sleeve.
Awesome. Well, we look forward to seeing you all there. Thanks for having us today.